2, 1. You are currently rocketing out of the cave at the walking speed of 45 miles per hour. Oh shoot, I did 4.5 miles per hour. It is the fastest thing that I have ever ridden at Silver Dollar City, and if you've ridden something that's faster, well then please do not tell me. Now folks, this is a very unique train. It's the first of its kind, and it is the only of its kind. And that is because of the curve you're going around right now. This is a counterbalance train with this turn, and when the Hershans wanted it put in the cave, they went to a whole bunch of engineers and said, will you please build this train for us? But those engineers said that it was impossible and it could not be done. So they decided to go to a man with a 3rd grade education and ask him to build this train for them. Well, that man said, sure, I'll build that train for you. And we use the same exact one to this day. Now you might see another train coming down at us. That's not supposed to happen. Oh my gosh! No, I'm just kidding. That's our 2nd cable train. As it's coming down, it is also helping pull us up. Now you might not know this, but this train is actually the very first ride at Silver Dollar City. The 2nd ride was of course our 2nd train. It's nice, but I personally wouldn't ride it. It gets robbed about 10 times a day. Coming up to our left here are going to be a set of railroad ties. They look like black pieces of wood stacked on top of each other. About 200 feet below that is the shoe room. That is the room where I blew out the candle. Now folks, I want you to take a moment to look at your ceiling and look at your floor. Everything has shifted and is at a slightly different angle. So when you exit the train today, please watch your head and your step. And once again, please remain seated until I drop that chain at the very top of this hill. I had a wonderful time with you folks. You were an amazing tour group, and if you felt the same about me, well then my name is Alex. But if you just hated it, you never want to return to this cave. In fact, you think it is the worst thing in Missouri. Well then my name is Jeannie. Oh shoot, there's Jeannie coming up to our right. She is actually the one that pulled us out of the cave today. Without her, we would all be stuck walking back up those 500 stairs. So on the count of 3, we're going to say, you rock, Jeannie. 1, 2, 3. You rock, Jeannie. Once again, if you did not like this tour, my name is Jeannie. Now, right before you leave those victory stairs, there's going to be several pictures, and I'm going to be talking a little bit more about Marble Cave's history, whether you want me to or not. So feel free to stop and check those out. Once again, please remain seated until I drop that chain.